Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick video showing you a few of the things that I've bought. I am sorry you can hear the damn parrots in the background. I cannot shut the damn things up today. I got a couple of these turnouts fine scale. These are the turnouts that can handle the longer locos and rolling stock instead of the short turnouts. I have short turnouts on one, and definitely my Class 66 can't handle going across. I'd gone up to the local model shop for those to see my friend Howard up there, and he's got a load of lemurs in, at really good prices. So I bought this one. It's DRS early livery. I don't have DRS livery, sorry about the banging about. It's Class 37. It runs sweet, very nice. Could do with a drop of oil, maybe. It's a nice little loco. Oh God, I keep banging the tripod, sorry. It's got lighting at the front and back, and bi-directional lighting, sorry, not lightning. And it's a really bonny little thing. It really is. I'll just come out of it. Runs well, very nice. We had a test run on the track while we were there with it, and this was only 58 bucks. Cannot go wrong. So I got this, and he's got loads. He's even got some Freightliner Class 66s, 50 quid a piece, 50 a piece. Yeah, they're lemur, they're not Acura scale, but who can see all those details? Who can see all those fancy details when it's driving past on the tracks? You don't get to see the only time you appreciate the fine details of anything like that is when you've got it stopped or it's on the bench. You're having a look at it. Oh no, put that away after. You're having a look at it on the camera or something like that. Yes, I've been spending money lately. I've been spending quite a bit of money, but bearing that in mind, with a new layout coming up and this one to finish, I've got lots of different things to do, so I'm going to be spending the money. I'm accumulating stuff ready, although the new shed hasn't been started yet. I've spoke to my son, and there's a deadline. If he hasn't started it by, then we're just going to get a contractor in and sod him off altogether. Scale model scenery, bracken ferns. These are little laser cut ferns. I've got the brown ones for autumn. These are the green ones for summer. You just nip them out, and they look just like the real thing. The tiny little ferns, they're great. All kinds of damp places they grow. All buildings on the guttering and stuff like that, they even grow there. And I got more of these. These are the drains, the covers and roadside drains, manhole covers, sewer covers, you know the thing. Manholes and drains. I believe some people don't like to call them manholes now. They've got it called access chambers. But there you go, that's what they are. Manholes. Harbour scene, still ongoing. And I got this, which is a slate powder, and this one, which is a sandstone powder. I've got various uses for these, including the harbour and some other places as well, so I had to get those. Now you'll notice this is my self-heal cutting mat. It was very cheap, quite nasty, and wears away really quickly, all the writing and stuff, but it is okay for getting paint on and glue. I sometimes put a drop of glue on here and use it with a toothpick or cocktail stick to put places where I want a finite amount. That in mind, I got this as well, which is laser cut kit glue, and that comes with its microscopic tiny little applicator, so you can get it in all the right places and build those laser kits with it. Had to have it. And I've got a lovely new A3 size cutting mat. This has come from Scale Model Scenery as well. I can't remember how much it was. Not a lot for what it is. It's got all the measurements on, just like you'd expect, and it's a proper self-heal, very thick and reversible. So this will get promoted into its rightful place, and the old blue one here at the side will get ditched off either to the left or to the right, and I'll use it for when I'm doing messy jobs of painting and gluing and stuff. That's going to be that'll be the one that I use underneath to preserve the model bench and stuff. That's all it is for now, just a really quick look at what I've been up to purchasing and what have you. Thank you all ever so much. I'll catch you all very, very soon, and do take care, every one of you. Bye bye for now, my friends.